Yeah, this is an induction heater, and this is the power supply. I'll open it up so you can see some of the electronics in it. It's rather complicated. And here's a cable that comes off and goes to the induction head. And this has got a coil and an RF, low frequency RF signal that is generated in this coil, and actually heats metal that's placed in the field in the coil. This is a matching transformer to match the impedance between the coil and the power supply, so that you get maximum power transfer to the coil. What we're going to do is we've got a tool mounted in here now, actually, that we've already heated up, and there's a carbide insert that we've silver soldered to this piece of steel. It's kind of blackish and discolored right now because we haven't cleaned it up. It's got flux on it and oxides. We've got another one. We've got another one that's ready to silver solder. Actually, I've placed silver solder paste beneath that insert, and then just push the insert down on it, so there's a thin film of the silver solder paste, which consists of silver solder particles and flux, so you don't have to add any external flux to it. I'll go ahead and mount it in the vise here. This piece is still hot, so I'm going to have to use tongs right here to get it out. I'll just lay it down right here and place this one in here and position it so that it's down in the if you want it down in the coil right there. Okay, let's see if this is still warm. I'll move it over here out of the way so you can see. Okay, so we've got it positioned here. Now I'm going to have to turn on the power supply and the water supply, which flows actually through this cable and through the coil to keep it from overheating, and back out and into the sink. On commercial units, they have a recirculating bath that does the cooling. I just use tap water to do it. Okay, so we're turned on now, and you'll hear different frequencies depending on, the thing will tune itself depending on the amount of heat that you want to apply to the workpiece. So we'll go ahead and increase the power to it. You see the flux, the vapor coming off the flux. And I'm going to just go ahead and get this red hot. And okay, that should be enough to melt the silver solder there. I'll pull this out so you can see. Of course, it's discolored from oxidation in the flux. I just wait until it cools off, and here are several pieces that have already been done. Need to be cleaned up with a wire brush and let them soak a bit in water to soften up the flux. And they're ready to go.